In this tutorial I will show you edit menu options in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. This is edit menu options. Today I will show you fill and stroke from here, also content or fill. So first of all, in this image I am selecting this area. I am selecting this area and we will go for here and fill. This is keyboard shortcut is Shift 5. I can also use this. Now I am accessing fill. After it is appeared dialog box, here is content. This is foreground color. If you select these contents, this will be filled by content foreground color. I am okay. I am accepting it, and you can see it is this area is filled by this black color. So I am undoing it, and this is now again accessing it. Background color, that means it will be filled up this shape by white color. This is the background color. Also I am make any color. I can select this and it will apply, could apply if I create mode screen. Also it could preserve the transparency. So I am opening it, and you can see this screen blend mode also applied, and also applied the color here, filled up color here. So in this way you can access fill tool. Also here is important content aware fill. Content aware fill will mean that it will analyze the content and fill the area I have selected. So I am opening it. So you can see this is not filled properly. Because why? Because we have made it screen mode. So I am making it normal mode. We can see color, what will apply with color mode. You can see it just make a color. So as usually we use normal mode, and I am opening it, and now you can see that it is filled Photoshop. This is not a very good job, but it will fill the shape with the selection. So I am again accessing it, Shift. So this is pattern. You can fill any pattern with it, and also you can make it contents history. I am opening it. Here is also, this is black layer. You can fill by black or 50% gray. You can create this. You can fill in this way using fill option. Also you can use stroked. Here is stroked. You can make it, you can create any stroked from here. I am selecting 5 pixel, and this is inside. I am clicking it outside, and also here is blend mode and opacity too. So I am opening it and I am accepting it. So you can see here is the stroke. It is accepted. So that was for this quick tutorial, fill and stroke. We will discuss all of them options in consecutive tutorials. So that was for this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to this channel. Keep editing.